Hey guys, in this episode I am compiling all of my discussions about how to make social media videos. And the number one thing I'm going to say before this episode starts, I think it's going to provide you a lot of value, is just start making videos. You have to practice, you have to be yourself. That is going to start you on the path, taking you down whatever niche you love, wherever your passion is, and start to develop your audience on whatever platform you love. Let's go. Hope you guys like it. Plan out the direction of your video. Let me take YouTube for example. Right now, we are shooting a video. That video will go through an editing process, through a rendering process. There's this debate of quality over quantity. Don't let the small things, a couple ums or ahs, or thinking that your hair wasn't done perfectly in the video, don't let that hold you back. Your first take is always your best take. Rev 1 is always better than Rev 12. All the time, across the board. Remember that you are always your toughest critic, and other people aren't seeing it once you get that content out. All it's doing is getting you more touch points and building your brand. That first revision or the second revision, the early revision of your video, is the most authentic to your content. And as you start to play with it, it just keeps getting worse and worse and worse. When I started, I was trying to do multiple takes of everything, and I recognized that once you relax, once you get going and you're in the zone, the first take is always the most authentic, it's always the best. It's not always about having one of these, a powerful DSLR, this is our backup camera, fantastic camera, shoots 4K. But my phone shoots 4K too. Well, I call it pillar content. It is more important to get the videos out and start to generate traction than holding that content back. I build pillar content as much as I can with the team that banks our footage. Our team, for myself, will have somewhere around 300 videos that I can post over the next 6 months already banked. That's because of things like this. You're trying to create long-form pillar content, 30 minutes or longer, and then you chop up that footage as many times and start to utilize that footage to be native for as many other platforms as possible. So a speech like today, where I'm talking, will get cut into probably 10 promo clips for my various platforms, for Facebook, for Instagram. The long form will go onto YouTube. We take all of the content that's created today and we build as much out of it as possible. As good pictures, good video get a further organic reach. It took me a long time to recognize that I had to give up control of the videos. So once I did that, we produced significantly more. Almost double the production of videos from when I had more control of where that was going. So quantity always wins.